These are the standard self-adhesive under desk drawers. They come nicely packed in bubble wrap in a box within a box, and they have the option of using the double stick tape that comes with it to mount it or with screws. I chose to do it with both. Now there is a little stop on the drawer, and for the standard size one I found if I tugged it a little bit it did come out. For the larger sized one I found that I had to widen the white part of the drawer a little bit in order to pull the drawer out. I'm putting the double-sided foam on the top and taking the screws and washers out of the little bag they came in. I wanted to use both the screws and the foam because I thought the foam would help to hold everything in place while I was installing them, and I was right. The other thing is I didn't think, because I'm working on bare wood, I didn't think the foam would hold up too well in the long term, or I was concerned about that, and I wanted to make sure to just do it right once. There are 4 screw holes and 4 screws and 4 washers, and my daughter had to get in on the action and do one of them. And they were very easy to install, especially by using that double-sided foam on there. I found that it held it in place really nicely, so I didn't have to worry about trying to hold that drawer as well as the screwdriver with the screw. I love how these drawers just add a little bit of extra storage in an otherwise empty space. They're going to be perfect for taking a few extra things off of the top of my desk. I love that there's 2 different sizes and you can pick and choose which ones are going to best fit that space.